I guess.
Oh, baby.
I mean, I get enough money behind time. Let them keep telling them how to take care.
We just want the breakfast.
Okay, listen. There's two places. One is the wall garden.
Yes, fantastic.
So let's do the wall garden. Then it goes straight on the design garden, all the way to
All the trees.
and then over there, you can actually walk up. I don't know if you are allowed to. That's another one.
So what we can do is let's do the stuff that we can do all together.
Let's go to the wall garden.
So what we can do is the one that we can go to the wall for the garden.
That's the plan.
Yes, okay. I'm fine. I mean, I have to...
Do as much as you want. Really.
No, I do as much as I want. I mean,
don't push yourself.
I even have a walking stick, which is in the car, with a seat. When I get tired of sitting.
They do?